Hello, my name is Reverend Rutaisire. I'm living in Rwanda at Kigali, and I'm working for the University of Rwanda. Our assignment was to explore the rich editor of Moodle as we walk through its features. And first we have to say that the way the Moodle editor is designed is wonderful. For example, if you explore, for example, the paragraph, you can see the headings, heading 1, heading 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they are enough. And here we have, once you write something like this, you can make it bold, like that. You can make it, you can italicize this one, and you see the following feature is about the insert, to insert the bullet, and you can also insert the numbered list. Here we have the link, which is inactive for the time being, and here you have to insert images and so on. This is for multimedia, and so on and so on. When, for example, you want to, this is for undo. This is to underline what you have written, and this is the strike through, and this is the subtract. For example, once you write a letter like this, and here you have 2. If you make it, you want to make 2 a subtract, you will do this. Here we have another one. During your equations, for example, can write x plus ax squared, for example. You can make 2 as a superscript. We have another feature here. You can align what you have written like this. You can align it left. You can center that one, or you can put at the yes, this is the right alignment. And here we have another feature for indentation. You can, let us put this one. You can indent this one, right indent, left one. Here we have to select some features like this. Sorry, this is for the text color, and you explore text colors. This one for the black, this one for the orange, burnt orange. We have the dark olive, and so on and so on. So we have another one. You can select the background color for that one. You select first this one, and you explore the background. Example, what we have selected, the aqua, for example, and so on and so on. We have also a feature for symbols like this. We have special characters, and you can have this one. First, once you want to insert a character, you will see the explanations at your right. This is kappa, where you have, this is kappa, and we can insert another one. This is this is sigma, this is xi, this is lambda, this is delta, this is omega, Now this is sigma, this more sigma. This is the rho, and this is the pi, and this is the epsilon. We have another. We have the epsilon here, and so on and so on. So we have. Once you want to write a text, for example, you don't have many choices, but you have only 10 choices, and the sizes are about 7. Here about the font. Once, for example, you want to highlight this one, you will choose a font like this, Arial or Tahoma. But for the sizes, for example, here there are 7, and you have to choose here. For example, here we have 12 point as size. We have this one, and once you want to maximize your sizes, you will use this one and this one. And I thank you very much for this video. I hope that I have enjoyed this one, and I wish you to enjoy these sessions. Thank you very much.